Hey gang, yes, on this episode of Talking eBay, we're going to show you how to add video into your eBay listing. Yes, it's all about adding video to your listing. Don't forget to subscribe to this new channel. I appreciate it. Let's go. So yes, you stopped on this video because you want to learn how to add video to your eBay listings without using a third-party service like YouTube or whatever you want to do, because a lot of times they don't play on the phone, they don't play on the iPad, and really a lot of people search on those devices. So it's really good to learn how to put video into your eBay listing using eBay itself, because they're now allowing you to do video, but you have to be opt-in to the system. So you have to make sure that you are, it's not available to everybody yet. It's kind of in beta mode, but it's getting rolled out very quickly. So I'm sure by the summertime, everybody's going to have it, but you have to make sure you use their new listing tool. So the way to get to that new listing tool is simple. Just create a listing, and I'm sure you're familiar with creating listing if you're watching this tutorial, and you'll see here, try our new listing tool. So you have to make sure you opt in to that part. Okay, so this is just a mock-up just to show you how to add the video and just kind of the specifications and what it is to do, and how to do it. So let's go here. So you have to click on that. You have to switch to the new listing tool, and you have to get used to this new tool because it's a little bit different, a little bit complicated. You just got to get used to the workflow. Let's just focus on the video, and that's really most what we're talking about right now. Okay, so photo and video. So let's just take a quick look at this together before we continue adding a video. Click on that. So it tells you here, tips uploading formats. It can be in JPEG. This is for photos, but we're really focusing on the second part here, which is the video. So video upload format should be an MPEG-4 or a .movie, which is most of your phones will do that, and most software, editing softwares will actually export into those formats, which is the most common format. And it can't be any more than 150 megabytes. So don't shoot in 4K. Don't do that. Just shoot in standard high definition. And so 150 megabytes is, like it says, it's about a minute. So they don't give you a lot of time. So it's not you can't leave a whole tutorial on there. It's just show a device. This is how it works. Give it a spin, give it a look, give it a quick, this is how it works. Just a real quick video under a minute. So it doesn't give you a lot of time. And hopefully they'll expand that as this rolls out in the future. So all you have to do basically is take your file and drag and drop it. And that's all you have to do. So let's give you an example. Let me just open up a file. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a file that I have here. I'm going to drag it right here, just like that. And you're going to see here, I'll open this up. You can see that it's now uploading that file. But what happens if you do something too long, and this is the little glitch I'm having about this, it takes them around 2 days to 3 days to make that video live, which is kind of a bummer, because if you have a hot item and you want to show something, I'm not sure if that's a really great thing or not. You know what I mean? You can do the hyperlink with YouTube and put it all and embed it in. So I'm hoping they'll figure this out and make it work much faster. But once this gets processed and it works, it's really cool because you can see it on all your devices, your phones and your tablets, and that's really the cool part. So okay, so that's going to upload. That'll finish, and that's pretty much how you do it. And then the rest of your photos you just drag and drop here. Really simple, like before. Everything loads in, really kind of cool. Just remember, the video is always defaulted to the second image, so it says that. So it doesn't matter when you drag your video in, it's always going to be in the second frame. Okay, the first one will be an image of your product, the second one will be the video, just so you know. So let's go to an example of what I already did. Okay, it's been up for a couple of days, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So okay, so here is a pair of glasses that I did. And so the first image is the glasses, and it shows the cloth and the just a little peek of the case. So this is like the first image of someone searching. So you can see here, there's a video. See that? So now you can see there's a video. So if someone clicks on this here, let's say they look at this image, okay, that's cool, and they click to the second image, what happens? The video plays automatically. So that'll play on your phone, that'll play on your tablet, that'll play anywhere. So this is kind of cool. So this is what I've been doing now recently. So I've been doing anything like any items that I've been finding. I've been just making videos for them, little quick videos, like 30-second video. So what this kind of does is just gives them a 3D look of the whole item. There's no guesswork. There's no, it's this con or that con. And the video shows so much more information, and that's why video is so cool. I picked up this little turntable here. They're very inexpensive. I'll leave a link down below where you can see something like that. The turntable, and that's all there is to it for the video. So that's a 30-second video. It shows what it is, and then the rest of them are the photos. So you can see what I was telling you about. The second photo is the video, and then the rest of it can fit right in there. You can do all your rest of your photos to back up everything that you're selling. But the second video, the second image is the video, and it's really kind of cool. So you can create your own 3D thing, like you see here, the thing moving around, the turntable thing. That's really cool. I think that's really going to be a game changer with eBay. It's going to help you sell your product better, especially if you have jewelry, glasses, products you want to just demonstrate, 3D look, just give it some more interest and some more, oh, people can really see all around it. You know, in that minute, you can show a lot more information than shooting 50 photos, right? Because to really get every angle of that, it takes forever. And you'll never be able to do it. This way, it's a video, it's in there, it's quick, it's done. But the only drawback, it takes them a couple of days to process it. Again, don't put any music in the background. Don't use copyright materials. Don't do anything like that. And make sure it's yours and yours alone. Make sure you did the video and you uploaded it. And that's really a big deal because they'll throw you off eBay. So don't do that. Just use your product, use your phone, make it simple. Don't shoot in 4K. And you'll be good to go. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave down below. I hope I made this somewhat simple as possible just to give you some information. Keep it under 150 megabytes. At roughly a minute. I do about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. That way it gives me a buffer. It uploads pretty quick. Takes them a day or two to process it, and then it becomes live, just like you see that this was done a couple of days ago. So that's going to give me maximum visibility and maximum exposure. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It does help me so I can continue helping you guys. I do appreciate that as well. Also, hit the notification bell and check out all my eBay tutorials to teach you how to either sell, list, or all kinds of different cool stuff that I have on my channel. All right, guys, that's it for me.